Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Typeform account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove a workspace in your Typeform account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick process, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to delete a workspace in your Typeform account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, like maybe running an agency, you know that by separating your workspaces, it helps keep everything organized. But sometimes clients go on their own way, so you'd rather go ahead and delete their workspace to clean it up. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Typeform account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Typeform account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and delete or remove one of your workspaces, first off, click on Forms here on the top left. Once you do that, you're going to see all of your workspaces along the left right here. You can see I have two. And next, what you want to do is go ahead and choose the workspace you would like to delete. So for example, we'll delete Mexican restaurant. Once you click on it, you're going to see the name of the workspace right up here, and click on these three dots next to the name and then click on delete. Okay, next you're getting this warning that once you delete this workspace, you cannot recover them. It's gone forever. So make sure that you are certain you want to go ahead and delete this workspace. If so, go ahead and type in the name of the workspace. So this one is called Mexican restaurant. Okay, once you've typed it in, you're going to see this red button pop up right here. Yes, delete it. All right. Okay, just a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see my workspace has been deleted, so I can no longer access it or the Typeforms that were within it. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove a workspace in your Typeform account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.